What's up, everybody? Welcome back to tugsgarge. Shane here. I got a bunch of parts I'm going to show you, and we're going to have a series of videos on these parts I'll be installing on my 04 Grand Cherokee. Alright, for starters, let's show you the parts I got. Got the felpro, the timing chain cover, gasket for the whole front end of the engine. I got that, and here's a part number if you want to see it, and I can also put it in the description. That's that part. Next on the list is rear lower control arms. Got both rear lower control arms. Here's the item number. Got two of these. Got them on Amazon, but I'll put a link in the description below for these. Got two of them to put in. They're both in the box. What else? Oh yeah, this being an oil pan gasket. felpro. There's the item number. Like I said, put a description in the. I'll put a link in the description. So we got an oil pan gasket. To go with that oil pan gasket, the rear main seal, felpro, part number. But yeah, that's why I got the oil pan gasket. So we're going to have a video. We'll have to drop the transfer case, transmission, oil pan to replace this gasket. So look out in the future for that video. Put that in with the next is, might as well show you this. Get it out of the plastic here. Rear upper control arm. I'll show you the item number. There's the item number. Yeah, made in China. And I'll put a link in the description for that. Here is the ball joint for the rear upper control arm. There's the item number. Show it to you here. Yep. There's the ball joint. It's got a protective cap on it. But yeah, there's your ball joint. So that's the rear, upper, and lower control arms being replaced. And we also got some moog part. This is the moog rear sway bar bushings. Got 2 of those. Item number. No, that ain't the item number. Here's the item number. Right there. Link in the description. And then sway bar links. Also moog. Rear sway bar links. There's the item number. Got 2 of those. There. Big mount, show them to you. Brand new moog links for the rear. I'm not affiliated with any of these people at all. So, I'm not getting paid for the advertisement or anything on this stuff. And also got something I haven't had. I got a 3/8 drive, or inch foot-pounds, but I bought a brand new torque wrench. 25, 250 foot-pounds. Half-inch drive. Hasn't even been used yet. Still in plastic. But it comes with two extensions, a 3-inch and a 6-inch. And like I said, it's 25 to 250 foot-pounds. On these, also had to get. Somebody had said that the bolts for that ball joint on the rear are 21 millimeter. So I ordered a 21 millimeter ratchet wrench and a 22 millimeter ratchet wrench just in case. I didn't have them. My metric ratchet wrenches go up to 19. So stick around, enjoy the show.